It's moving day. I will show you a view of our room right now, so you can kind of see what we're working with. Say hi!
Hi!
So yeah, we have a lot to do. And we moved in less than a day. Pray for us! So we're gonna take a little bit of a break. Carly got here to hang out and just help. But we're going over to her mom's house because she's buying pizza. So we're gonna go take some. Then we might go to IKEA to get a new bed frame. But we'll see. We'll keep you updated. We have everything out in the living room, like all wrapped up and in boxes. I'm serving.
Oh. It's okay, you can be bold. Not me too. I lost a good part.
We finally got back and we still have a lot of stuff to do. I'm currently sitting on my dresser and there's a plate. I ate chocolate chip pancakes this morning. We have a lot to do. Still, I'll give you an overview of the room, show you our progress, but we ain't even close to done. We have so much stuff. Do you like my gingerbread socks?
Those are my gingerbread socks.
Whatever. We spent most of last night packing. We got my car all loaded up because we only have a room, so we're not renting a U-Haul. But we got my car all loaded up with all the stuff that was in the living room, and then our room is pretty much empty. I'll give you a little overview. These are our snacks from last night. So we're gonna be doing most of the moving today. So we're on our way to the apartment. There's a guy looking at me. My car is fully packed. Like, I have no room. Like, there's my passenger seat and my purse. And so we're heading up there now. We're gonna go sign our lease. We're gonna drop off the first load. Then I think we're gonna go pick up our couch because we bought it on a Wednesday and told them we'd pick it up Friday. So we're gonna go get that. This morning was kind of crazy because we woke up, we had to load up the truck in like 45 minutes to get everything. And now we're headed there now. It's 9:15. We'll probably get there right on time, honestly. I'm already exhausted. It's only 9 in the morning. My gas light's on, so pray for us. We just got our keys and I'm gonna show you guys a little empty apartment tour. Just the living room and Abby. Oh good lord. And then we have our kitchen over here. Got like fridge, all that good jazz. And then we have a little storage closet. And then also a little pantry. This is our little entryway here. So this is Abby's room. Her room's a cute little good size there, and she's got a little closet and also a little window. And then she's also across the hallway got a bathroom in here. We have a washer and dryer in here, full size, so that's nice because my last apartment didn't. And then here's mine and Basher's master suite. We have our room. And then my favorite part, personally, is our walk-in closet. And then we have also a little linen closet right here, which honestly will probably be used for shoes or something. Not gonna lie. And then we have our bathroom. I like that it's double sinks. It's really echoey in here. I look like crap. It's echoey, but we have double sinks, and then we have a shower. One thing that made me want this apartment so bad was all of the natural lighting in it. And there's so much, and I'm so let's get moving. So it's been a couple hours since I last vlogged. We have moved everything in. We got our couch. We went and picked up our couch. It was kind of far away, so we kind of did that as soon as we could. We had to get 2 trucks because it's huge. But I'm sitting on it currently. And it's so cozy. I still look crazy. The place looks crazy. Everything's a little crazy right now. But it's okay. I'm just rolling with it. We have this giant bin of like kitchen stuff. It's got a bunch of kitchen stuff in it, and I think, oh, don't mind the stocking. We got a lot of it for Christmas. I think I'm gonna start setting up the kitchen. Good Lord. It's gonna be a big garbage run, but I think I'm gonna start setting that up because I have nothing better to do. So, it's been about a little less than a week since I have vlogged at all. Just because we've been getting stuff together for the apartment, getting everything kind of situated and all that. But I wanted to do a quick little apartment tour with stuff actually in the apartment. Because when I showed you before, there was nothing in here. Like, we had just gotten the keys for it. We were just moving things in. So now we've kind of gotten everything pretty much situated. There's just a couple things we need left. It is still just a little bit messy. We have some last minute like odds and ends things that we have to find places for and stuff like that. So this is when you walk in. There's our couch. We have an entertainment center. For right now, we're putting all of our shoes right here. Oh, let me kick that over. Just by the door. Eventually, we want to probably put something in this closet here to put our shoes in. We've hung some coats up. We have some blankets up there and all of that. But on this wall, we have these 3 little square decoration hang things. Just have a little candle in here, this little smell goody thingy, and then a plant, a fake plant. There's my baby. Say hi, Mick. Alright, and then, so we have our couch. I'm not sure if you guys saw this in the last video, but this is what it looks like. Don't mind that. We just went and picked up some things from the dollar store, like some hand soap, some frames, just that kind of stuff. And then my purse is there, of course. And then this is our entertainment center. Still need to dust down there, and that's not gonna stay there. But we just have a record player, my Marble record player, an aloe vera plant. That one is real. This is another little scent diffuser thing. I love the place to smell good. We have some records down here. Hopefully that'll get bigger, but and then we have a globe, and then just some different books. We have a travel book, Humans of New York book, Keegan Allen's book there. So I turned on the light in the kitchen because the sun's starting to go down. So our pantry is finally stocked with a bunch of freaking food. And then a little overview of our kitchen. Here we have our waffle maker and a little hydro flask. This we still need to hang up. It's just this little plant hanger thing. Brownies that we made. And then, so the theme of our kitchen, we decided to go with rose gold and marble. So we have rose gold and marble salt and pepper shakers. And then this just little utensil holder. Then just a water bottle, some bread, toaster. I have this fake plant here. It's got like rose gold trim there. The welcome home gang sign. A little fruit basket. Some potatoes that I was going to make for dinner. Little cactus. We have a Himalayan salt lamp there. Paper towel holder. Another little plant there in the corner. Y'all can see the snow out there. It snowed last night. And then our fridge is stocked with a lot of good stuff. Kind of a lot of crap in our freezer. So I'm going to take you into mine in Basher's room. Just flip off some lights. Oh, I will. So this is Abby's bathroom. She looks like this. Super, super cute. There's me. And then of course her room is there. I'm not gonna go in it because she's not home. Oh, but we also have this little wall art here. It's a cute little reminder when you walk in the door. I like it. Then of course our washer and dryer. We have some laundry baskets in this hallway as well, just because we're still catching up on laundry. This is mine and Basher's room. We have this little gallery wall going. This is kind of where all of our family pictures are gonna go, stuff like that. And then we have our bed and our little nightstands. My nightstand is cuter, so I'll show you mine. That there. And of course, my makeup desk. And then just this little shelf here that has another record player and some incense. And of course, this mirror. Show you guys my outfit. Green jacket that I've been obsessed with. This top, some black jeans, and then just some Adidas shoes. You can see my tattoo. Super, super cute. My boss got me these shoes. I love them. And then we have our TV down there because we just brought our little shelf that we hang it on, that we're going to hang it up on this wall. And then our closet is all organized. We have Ashley's clothes over here, mine over here. We have some shoes up top. Most of my shoes are out in the living room and on this little shoe rack down here. But she has all of her shoes here. And all of her clothes. And then of course her side of the dresser and my side of the dresser. And I'm going to take you guys into our bathroom because that is honestly probably one of my favorite parts of our little place right now. Look how cute. Okay, so we have this little plant and some coconut oil down there. And then two little hand soap things there, and then the middle one for like our toothpaste. Then we have this here with some cotton swabs. Then we have just this little shelf here that I think we're going to paint black because we're kind of, oh hello, oh hello. And then just some stuff that we use every day, like hair product, deodorant, face wash, perfume, that kind of stuff. And then that here, and then this little laundry basket. We got this laundry basket from IKEA. It's cute. It has a little top to it, so it just looks like that. I'll link it down below if any of you are interested. And then the shower curtain, and then we have another little wall hangy thing here. Just, I think it makes it look cute in here. And then my little baby. What are you doing, babe? Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We have everything pretty much done right now. Of course, for the living room, we're gonna get like a rug and a coffee table out here, but I think we're holding off on that right now. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I was just editing it and didn't realize just how long it was starting to get. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me move into my very first apartment ever. It's pretty crazy to say. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like down below. Subscribe to my channel if you want. How to reach to the channel. Oh, there's my baby, Haley. And I will talk to you guys soon. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know. I hardly ever film. Whatever. We'll see you next time. Bye!